welcome to the next installment in the Wooden Mystery series. Today we have what appears to be a 2x8 attached to a 2x4. The bottom of the 2x4 is approximately 29 inches from the floor. You will note there is some hardware attached to the 2x4. The angle of the hardware should probably be set about there. You'll notice there's a screw down below. Whoever determines the purpose of this will receive extra bonus winnings. So there's truly two contests going on. I highly doubt anyone will ever determine the purpose of this screw though. You'll note there are some push pins attached, along with a fancy roll of paper pinned to the board. There's also a template of screws. This is a major hint as to the purpose and function of this board. However, there are auxiliary functions built in. At least 2 auxiliary functions, if you count the bonus mystery screw below. So, what do you think the purpose of this is? Leave your answer in the comments below. In case you're wondering about my mirror, it broke over 7 years ago, so I think all the bad luck has run out. Hopefully. I'll give you one hint. The pencil lines, well, this is a salvaged piece of lumber, so those pencil lines were there when I got it. So the pencil lines have nothing to do with what this project is. I'll give you another hint. None of the other items in the frame have anything to do with what this is. So, what do you think this piece of wood is? Leave your answer in the comments below. Thanks for playing.